So, what an eventful morning. From something that was meant to be just literally just going out for a ride on the Greenway turned into losing a drone twice. Once in a field where I could actually kind of get to it and I could hear the beeps, and the second one in a big shambles tree with loads of spikes. Drone is currently stuck up a tree. Hi guys. So, in the process of about 3 miles, I'm right next to the motorway, so hopefully you can hear this. I'm really out of breath. I've only ridden 3 miles. It's really misty, so it's quite nice anyway. It's a little bit muddy. I've already lost this twice. Once in the field, which it went too bad. The other time, top of that really big bramble bush with loads of thorns on it. Really hurt. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I just wanted to go out for a quiet ride. Oh well. So, what an eventful morning from something that was meant to be just literally just going out for a pond on the Greenway, turned into losing a drone twice. Once in a field where I could actually kind of get to it and I could hear the beeps, and the second one in a big shambles tree with loads of spikes. That was not my idea of fun. Got thorns all over my hands and my sides. Luckily I got body armour on, because that actually protects me from most of it, because they're bloody everywhere. No. Try and go past. Then consider it on the cycle route. Yeah, not the best moment. I didn't do the entire Greenway, mainly because half of it is still wet and I'm actually knackered from climbing a tree. Don't climb trees anymore. Maybe I should, but I wasn't too bad at it. But damn. So, otherwise, bit of drama in a boring day. I've got only a small cut finger, lots of thorns somewhere, I'm sure. God knows where. But hey ho, you live and learn, don't you? Well, that's why I got the Avata, because I can fly that. Can't fly normal drones apparently. Anyway, take care everyone. See you later. Bye.